Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the product and intention. Check the bottle for Mother Tincture and alcohol percentage. Measure precisely. 1-3 drops into 30 ml of room temperature water, stirred gently. Take the first dose on an empty-ish stomach, so absorption is consistent. That's why you wait 15 minutes before food or strong flavors. Once done, note time and any immediate sensations, because tracking responses helps you adjust safely over days. Now you move into regular administration and monitoring. Use a clean glass dropper each time and record dose, time, and symptoms in a simple log. Take the diluted drop slowly and make small adjustments, up to 3 times daily, only if well tolerated. Gradual changes reveal true effects. Because berberis contains active alkaloids, make sure to avoid high-dose botanical alkaloids at the same time, and consult a qualified practitioner. If you plan to finish each course, store the tincture upright in a cool, dark place with the cap tightly closed. That preserves potency. If you experience mouth irritation, rash, or unexpected symptoms, stop dosing immediately and rinse thoroughly. Seek medical care if reactions worsen. If you've used it consistently for 2 to 4 weeks without clear benefit, reassess your dose and goals or consult a trained clinician. That's the safest path when outcomes are uncertain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.